So you've requested a short demo of the Druva platform to see how you can radically improve and modernize your data protection strategy across many different workloads. As you can see from the Druva dashboard, we can support many different workloads such as endpoint devices, laptops, desktops, SaaS applications like Microsoft 365, Google, Salesforce, Slack, hybrid workloads like file servers, VMware, Hyper-V, SQL, Oracle, NAS, even performing cloud-based DR with a runbook orchestration, as well as cloud native workloads like AWS EC2, RDS, Redshift, DynamoDB. Now, right from the homepage, you can access any of the workloads that you're looking to protect or recover from. And then quickly from this dashboard, you can see that you can protect your data across multiple different geos based on AWS's availability zones. The backups themselves are triplicated across 3 data centers. You're only ever ingesting unique block level data, minimizing bandwidth, increasing speed of backups. And then we have integrations into a number of different third-party tools to assist with things like e-discovery, SOAR and SIM integration for ransomware recovery, as well as quickly see all of your support cases and then directly interact with support or find documentation directly from this dashboard. Now, I want to quickly highlight a couple of feature sets, how Druva can help improve your ransomware recovery posture, how you can get more visibility from your data by using a cloud-based platform like Druva. So here, with our ransomware recovery feature, I'm going to jump in and just really quickly highlight what this is able to do for you. So really from the same pane of glass, you can quickly quarantine workloads that may have been impacted by ransomware, giving you security events and updates to unusual data activity, such as high rates of change, data deleted, data updated, as well as the ability to build a curated snapshot that can run through backups over a certain specific amount of time to quickly build a single point in time restore that brings the last clean copy of a file back in case of a ransomware attack. Now to quickly dive in to our hybrid workloads, here you can see summary information around the data center workloads that you're protecting, VMware, Hyper-V, SQL, NAS, physical file servers. So from the hybrid workload dashboard, you can quickly see all the different workloads you're protecting. You can quickly see how our deduplication can shrink over 8 terabytes to less than 1.5, not only increasing performance and efficiency, but also driving down cost. So from the analytics page, you can quickly get summary information around all of the workloads you're protecting, seeing change rate across different systems, seeing the growth and the breakdown, whether it's file level, SQL, VMware, Hyper-V. And then to quickly highlight our disaster recovery tool, this is where you can create a DR plan and quickly fail over VMs from VMware on-prem into your own AWS VPC, where you could create a workflow so certain systems will boot at a specific time. You create a mapping pre-constructed around failover settings, things like instance type, security group, subnet, IP. This allows you to quickly, within one click, fail over these systems in a 30-minute to an hour RTO, quickly into the cloud in a disaster scenario. And then you can quickly fail them back if need be to run back out of production once you've rebuilt or are ready to regain your infrastructure posture. Thank you so much. I know this was a quick demo. With Druva, your data is always on and always ready.